Hey everyone, welcome back to Keeping Up with Mike. If you own a Toro Timemaster, you know how important it is to keep it running smoothly. Today, we're diving into the essential parts you need to maintain and repair your mower. I've got all the part numbers, links, and even some handy tips to make your life easier. Plus, check out the description for links to all these parts. Let's get started. First up, we have the V-belt, part number 1215765. This belt is crucial for the smooth operation of your mower. If it's worn out, you'll definitely notice a drop in performance. You can find it on Amazon through the link in the description below. Next, we have the traction belt, part number 1209470. This belt ensures your mower has the traction it needs to navigate your lawn effectively. Get it on Amazon. Moving on, the synchronous belt, part number 1203335, is another essential component. You can find it on Amazon. If you're facing issues with your mower's transmission, part number 1319665 is what you need. Check it out on Amazon. The traction cable, part number 1276867, is vital for controlling your mower. Grab it from Amazon. Next, we have the blade engagement cable, part number 1331998. Ensure your blades engage properly with this part. Available on Amazon. A good spark plug is essential. The Briggs & Stratton 692051/692720 or Champion RC12YC will do the job. Find it on Amazon. Keep your engine clean with the air filter, part number 795066. Available on Amazon. The spring arm, part number 1207043, is another part you'll want to keep in top shape. Check it out on Amazon. For a sharp cut, you need a good blade. Part number 116-6358-03 is what you need. Available on Amazon. A feeler gauge is essential for accurate adjustments. Get yours on Amazon. The pulley kit is another must-have for maintenance. Find it on Amazon. For the oil, you need 18 ounces of SAE 34 cycle engine oil or full synthetic 10W 30 engine oil, 32 ounces. Get it here. Secure your blades with blade bolts, part number 1252466. Available on Amazon. If your pull start is giving you trouble, part number 796497 will fix it. Check it out on Amazon. Keep your blades sharp with a 4.5 60 grit flap disc. Get it on Amazon. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to check the description for all the part links and keep your Toro Timemaster in top shape. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Keeping Up with Mike, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.